Good day and welcome back to the Family Cyber Clinic. This week we're going in a different direction. I want to use this week's video to promote the live Q&A session that I announced again last week. I announced that we're going to have a live Q&A, and the idea there is to get you to bring questions, to bring your concerns for your family around the area of internet security. We have shared up to 50 videos so far around the internet security, around our families. But I want to take it to the next level, where we have more engagement, where we have a different way of engaging, really. There's no other way to paint it. You know, it gives you an opportunity to come out of your shell. It gives you an opportunity to, put forward those questions that are important to you. And then from the engagement online or during the live show, I'll be able to address those concerns as best as I can. And of course, if the questions you have are bigger than our platform, I would be in a position to give you or recommend things that you can do. We have so much time on our hands right now. There could be opportunities to do an online course, attend a webinar beyond this platform. But the idea is to get to you in real time. And so, as I mentioned before, please bring your questions, send your questions, put in the comments those same questions. I just want to engage with you. The more people we have attend the live show, the more beneficial I'm certain it will be. Okay, so throughout this week throughout this month, we'll be promoting this live show. I'll follow the normal format of uploading videos from next week. But this week I wanted to take time to promote this live Q&A session. Okay, so put it in your calendars. Tell your friends and family who do not know about this channel yet. Send them the URL, send them the details of this platform. Get them to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, also do the same. I want this engagement to be major, okay? I'm seriously looking forward to engaging with you. I know I did mention that it would be an hour or two. We will just go as we're led, but we'll keep it so that everyone benefits and everyone who attends has an opportunity to ask a question or two. Okay, so I'm looking forward to it. Be as excited as I am. Tell your friends, tell your loved ones, and importantly, you must attend, okay? Take care. Until next week, I'm your host, Cyber Pastor Lawrence Edem. Take care of yourselves, keep safe, and see you next week. God bless.